I am about to ruffle some feathers right now. Spray tan solution bases, do they even matter? I have a pretty strong opinion about this, so stay tuned if you're interested to find out how and what I believe about spray tan solution bases. Welcome to Impressive Glow. My name is Gina. I am the owner and educator of Impressive Glow Spray Tan and Teeth Whitening Training, where my ultimate mission is to help women, moms, single moms, learn how to start a side hustle as either a spray tan or teeth whitening technician. And I'm also a beauty business mentor, and I am here to help women just elevate their beauty businesses. So I'm not really sure why this is so hard to understand, why spray tan bases is such a controversial topic in the spray tan industry. I mean, if you know anything about spray tan science, if you know anything about how DHA and how bronzer affects the skin and the ultimate effect of that spray tan, you should know that spray tan base absolutely matters. So really quick, before we start this whole controversial topic, let me plug something very quickly. I offer and have created a spray tan training program exclusively to spray tan artists who are currently in the industry, who are just looking to have answers like this solved. If you're looking to find out more information about spray tan science, spray tan solutions, skin tone, skin type, DHA, all the questions that you may have about situations like this, and maybe your original spray tan training didn't include that, I offer a spray tan solution 101 course to teach you all things spray tan science. I'm going to link I'm going to put the link for the training program in the description, so I got a little plug in. Okay, let's break down some information really quick. We know that DHA, the primary ingredient in spray tan solution, is actually colorless. It comes in a variety of different percentages, and this is what is responsible for attaching to the amino acids in the dead skin cells of the epidermis layer of your client's skin. That was a mouthful. I really hope you understand that, because that'll help you with your spray tan journey. However, when we talk about solution base, this is going to be the different types of colors that are going to be the base formula of the particular solution, because everybody's client's natural skin tone is going to be a little bit different. And by having different spray tan solution bases, it allows us to customize each and every spray tan for every client. The most popular ones on the market right now are going to be your green bases, your violet bases, red bases, and the very popular brown base that has just gotten onto the market and has become very, very popular. Now understand that those solution bases are only affecting the bronzer of your spray tan solution. So now with that being said, this is where the big controversy comes into play when we're talking about solution bases in the spray tan community. Because the solution base is only affecting the bronzer, that bronzer does tend to wash off of your client's skin and stain the skin for only a particular amount of time. It used to be a lot less than it is now, because solution companies and the ingredients in these solutions are putting a lot of emphasis on this bronzer. They're making bronzers a lot more pigmented. They're putting in ingredients that are actually making this bronzer stain the skin a little bit longer, which is key to understand with this whole information. Now, normally, on average, at least the solutions that I'm using, and I'm a fan of Jolie, Unfiltered, what else do I like? Glazed, Evolution, Tan. So a lot of these solutions that I prefer happen to stain our client's skin for a minimum 5 days. So here is where my conversation happens, because after that bronzer washes away and stops staining the skin, then that DHA, yes, and the quality of it is what's going to come in and give the ultimate continuous color to be beautiful and bronzy and gorgeous and hopefully not be brassy. So your clients really should be getting about 10 days of really good color out of a spray tan. Really should be getting 10 days. If you're only getting 6 days for your client, and by day 6, that means that through day 6, the bronzer was beautiful, it was great, which means the solution base was great, and the choice of whatever base you chose for that client was great for their skin. And if you get to day 6 and then it starts to get really patchy, really fadey, really uneven, then that means the quality of the DHA in that spray tan solution is horrendous. That's another topic. I hope you understand the science behind that. Spray tan solution 101 will help you with that. So here's the conversation. As spray tan artists, we know that day 2 through day like 4 and 5 are the best days of a spray tan. Day 1, they're getting a lot of that bronzer off, the cakey bronzer, but day 2 through day 5, that is the ultimate days of the beautiful color. What is responsible for that color? Your bronzer, which is the solution base that you've chosen for your particular clients. Just like when we tell clients what's the best day to spray tan if you have a special event, a wedding, a vacation, a photo shoot, 2 days prior. Why? Because day 2 is the best day of a spray tan. And what is influencing that is going to be that solution base and how well that looks on your client's natural skin tone, right? Because by day 6, once that bronzer is completely rinsed off and it's done and it stops staining the skin, then the quality of that DHA is responsible to come in and continue giving you a beautiful spray tan. Like I said, if you're not getting more than 6 days of beautiful color, it means the DHA quality in your spray tan solution is not good. So there's a few key spray tan solution bases that you want to keep in your arsenal for the different types of clients that you have. For your cooler undertone clients who pull maybe a little bit more red, a little bit more pink, you definitely want to have some green based solution in your studio or on hand for you to be able to use on them. For your warmer clients with a little bit more of a yellow or peachy undertone, you definitely want some violet based solution. Now this brown based solution that's just hitting the market recently, that's become really popular, is absolutely gorgeous on the right client. They are advertising it as more of a universal solution base, which there still needs to be a little bit more research behind that. I see it work really well on some girls and not work on others quite so well. And I'm even still going through the research process with some of my clients here to make sure that I'm finding the best ones that are going to work for my clients. But I definitely think you need to have a green-based solution and you need to have a violet-based solution. So one of the key things when you're looking for spray tan solution that you want to be able to offer your clients is, one, you want a solution that has a really good bronzer or has a really good base. So these greens, these violets, these reds, you want them to be very good quality pigmentation. And you also want a solution that has really good DHA quality, because if that spray tan solution company is really just putting their money in the emphasis of that solution base into those bases of those solutions, those greens, and making those look pigmented and vibrant, and you get to day 6 and that spray tan is horrendous, that means their DHA quality is horrible. So make sure you're finding a solution with client care, because a lot of this is up to them too, but if your client is taking really good care of their spray tan while they have it on and using really good aftercare products, they should minimum be getting 8 to 10 days out of a really good spray tan. Sometimes my girls are getting 2 weeks out of a tan because they're taking care of it so well and I use really good products. At the end of the day, choosing a solution that you want for your clients is totally going to be up to you, but I want you to think of it as if it were foundation. You would never want to choose foundation for your skin that doesn't, or for your face, that doesn't complement the tones in your face. This is all color theory. Everybody's natural tone to their skin is overall gonna affect the color of that spray tan, regardless. If you think that green base or violet base is gonna be universal for whichever client, understand their natural tone is always gonna affect that. And by using different spray tan solution bases, we're able to customize that for each and every one of our clients. So I hope this video helped. I hope it gave you a little bit more explanation as to spray tan bases and bronzers and how that affects your client's skin and the choices that you are making with that. Don't forget, Spray Tan Solution 101 is available. It is an online course. It's one of the cheaper options for my training for existing spray tan artists. You don't have to go and purchase a whole entire new training. It is literally a training exclusively for existing spray tan artists to get more information on the science of spray tanning. It's not going to give you technique. It's not going to give you all the basics of like starting a spray tan business, it's going to give you a deep dive into spray tan science and spray tan solution information. So it's something that I think is going to be super powerful and super helpful to existing spray tan artists. All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget, I offer online, live, virtual, and in-person spray tan and teeth whitening training. I'm going to leave all the information in the description box if you'd like to book a training session with me. And I also offer coaching mentorship calls for anybody in the beauty industry, whether you need some help with social media, being consistent, how to start your business, questions about marketing, how to get more clients. I got all the answers and strategies for you. So thank you guys so much. Catch you in the next one.